So in this video, I will share a low-calorie cookie recipe that will help you satisfy your cravings for something sweet without making you backtrack or jeopardize all your hard work and progress. So let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Healthy Living with Luis, where we help you reach your personal health goals and achieve a healthier lifestyle. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. So right now I'm going to share with you a cookie recipe that has helped me tremendously when it comes to wanting to eat something sweet. For me, it has proven to be very useful to satisfy those cravings. This is a very good example of a healthy cookie substitute. It can be very helpful for staying on track with your weight loss goals, not spiking your blood sugars, and most importantly, satisfying that sweet tooth. So let's check out the ingredients. Okay, so number one is erythritol. We're going to use 4.5 ounces, which is the equivalent of 3/4 of a cup. Erythritol is a diabetic-friendly sweetener known as a sugar alcohol. It's 70% as sweet as refined sugar, but also has 95% fewer calories than regular sugar. It is very low in the glycemic impact. Adding to this, it does not contribute to tooth decay and is non-GMO. So basically it's all the sweetness of sugar without any of the bad stuff. Number two, we got unsalted butter. So that's 3.5 ounces, basically half a cup. Number three, vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. No specific brand either. Number four, 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin. Number five, 1 to 2 eggs. You can use 1 large egg. Number six, 6 ounces to 170 grams of almond flour. That equals about 1.5 cups. Number seven, baking powder. Number 8, pinch of salt. I use Himalayen. Number 9, sugar-free chocolate chips. Now, for this video, I used Hershey's sugar-free, but I highly recommend you guys get Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips or stevia chocolate chips. These two options should be very easy to find. Okay, so first you are going to preheat your oven to 355 Fahrenheit. Then we're going to melt the butter in a saucepan or bowl until it has a very soft consistency. Throw that over medium heat for about 30 seconds in the microwave. Then we're going to place the melted butter and erythritol in a mixing bowl and beat until combined for about 15 seconds. If we want to get a good forearm workout, we can totally use a hand beater. After that, add the vanilla and egg and beat on low for another 15 seconds. As you continue to beat, the texture will change. Okay, so first we are adding the almond flour, then unflavored gelatin, then the salt, and finally baking powder. We're going to beat until well combined. Then number 6, now we place 3/4 of a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. As you can see, it's a generous amount. You can pound in the chocolate chips with your hands or a spatula, or you can just beat it like so. Number 7, next you can use a small ice cream scoop to divide and shape the dough into 12 portions. Place the dough on some parchment paper on a baking tray. Make sure there's a couple of inches of space from each cookie ball. So I'm flattening the dough a bit, but you don't want to do it too much. They don't have to necessarily have that perfect cookie shape. So finally we're going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 355 Fahrenheit. The cookies will look a little undercooked when removing them from the oven, but after cooling, they will harden. So after 10 to 12 minutes, you will have something like this. We take our cookies out and let them sit for a couple of minutes. These honestly are one of my favorite go-tos when it comes to craving something sweet. These cookies are only 2 grams of net carbs and around 80 calories per cookie. So once again, this will really help with staying on track with your weight loss goals, and at the same time will help with those cravings. This way we won't feel like we always have to sacrifice and feel restricted all the time. I really hope this recipe was useful. So I'll be posting videos once a week on goal settings, healthy substitutes, a gradual approach towards exercise, easy food recipes, meal prepping, maintenance, these and many other ideas that can be useful for your own personal health journey. So let me know what you think about the recipe. Just leave a comment below. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're not already subscribed, just click that red button below. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day. I look forward to seeing you again. Till the next time.